I will be doing something I usually don't do, which is to continue from my previous video. Previously, I talked about this macOS dock. Now, I will proceed with the Start menu, Notification Sender, Blur Taskbar background, and File Explorer icons with blur effects. Please refer to the previous video for the dock style. I'll be leaving the link in the description. So now let's assume you already have this macOS dock. Now we'll continue on to the Start menu. Go to Explorer. Now you want to install Windows 11 Start menu styler. Click Details. Click Install. Proceed to install it. Now to activate this mode, I'll be using a certain code which I'll be leaving the link in the description. Okay. Now we're going to extract this zip file. Just highlight on it, right click on it and select Extract All. Click on Extract. Open the folder. Go on to the Start menu code. Double click on that. Ctrl A to highlight on everything. Then copy the codes. Head on back to Windhawk. Go to Advanced. Under Mod Settings, highlight on this content. Delete it. Now paste the one we just copied. Click on Save. Click on this Windows icon. Now we have this blurry Start menu, something that looks like the macOS glass effect, and it's looking pretty cool. Now go on to the next one. Head on back to Windhawk. Go to Explore. Now install the Notification Sender styler. Okay, click Details. Install it. Now proceed to Advanced. Go back to the folder. Open this text file to reveal the codes. Ctrl A to highlight on everything. Copy. Head on back to Windhawk. Delete this content. Then paste the codes right here. Click on Save. Now if you open the Notification Sender, you can see that it's looking much better. On to the next one. So I want to give an example here. So if I open an application, we can see that it's not looking so good at the bottom right here. We have this wallpaper at the bottom which is visible every time you open any application. We're going to fix this in Windhawk application. Go back to Windhawk, head on to Explorer, and this time I'm going to search for Taskbar background helper. There we have it. Click Details. Choose Install. Proceed to install it. Now let's try this one more time. When I open this application, we can see that this is blurry at the bottom here, which is more pleasing to the eyes. Now we're going to add a bit of style to the File Explorer. Head on back to Windhawk, go on to Explore, and this time I'm going to search for Resource Redirect. There we have it. Click Details. Proceed to install it. Go on to Settings. Under Icon Theme, if you expand this, we have many options here, and vast majority of themes you can choose from here actually. Of all these options, I'll go for the macOS Blue. Okay, macOS Blue by Nivo. Shout out to Nivo for these amazing themes. Click on that and click Save Settings. For some icons to be updated, the icon cache must be cleared. Okay, click on Yes. Your File Explorer is going to close. All you have to do is to reopen it. Now you can see here that we have these beautiful looking icons. Instead of the regular icons, we have this macOS style of icons. And bear in mind guys, this is not a complete Windows to Mac transformation. It's just a way of adding a little touch of Mac to your Windows for the fun of it. However, I feel this is incomplete. Now we're going to add a blur effect to this File Explorer. We're going to be using Explorer Blur Maker. So head onto your browser, go onto this website. I'm going to leave the link in the description anyways. Scroll down here. On the right side, you want to click on the latest. Scroll down again. Now you're going to choose the first one right here, Release x64. Click on that. Navigate to the file location. So highlight on the file we just downloaded and click on Extract All. Extract it. Open the release folder. Double click on Register to launch it. Choose Run. Now select Yes if notified. Click on OK. I'm going to X on this. And this should close your File Explorer. Now if you reopen your File Explorer, you can see that we have this blur effect on the File Explorer, and this is looking much better. Now I'm going to show you how to uninstall this application. Beginning with the Explorer Blur Maker, go onto your folder, locate the Release x64 folder, double click on Uninstall and click on Run. Click OK. By the time you open your File Explorer, it's as simple as that. you can delete the release folder and that will completely remove the Explorer Blowmaker. So as for the Windhawk, you have to uninstall Windhawk just the way you uninstall every application. I'm going to show you anyway. Right click on here, go to installed apps. Now search for Windhawk. Click on the three dots on the right side here. Click uninstall. Click uninstall again. Choose yes if notified. Then ensure to check on this, okay? Check on this to remove the program settings. Once you're done with that, click uninstall. And because I'm not ready to uninstall this application, I'm not going to uninstall it. So just uninstall it and that should completely remove Windhawk and the settings from your computer. So that's going to be all for now, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like, and also share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day, guys. Peace out.